This video is a setup guidance for all Emerson Quiet Kool Smart products. HE Smart App Setup Steps. First, please scan the QR code in the manual to download HE Smart App. Or you can search HE Smart in the App Store or Google Play Store to install the app. Register a user account in the app. Log into your account. Please make sure this app is run on a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network before connecting the device. Otherwise, the connection will fail. Click Add Device or Plus at the upper right corner. In Next Page, select the type of product you are connecting. For Window AC or Through-the-Wall AC, press the Display button for 6 times within 6 seconds on the remote control to activate Wi-Fi setup. For Portable AC, press the Fan button for 6 times within 4 seconds under Standby mode to activate Wi-Fi setup. For Dehumidifier, press the Timer button for 6 times within 4 seconds under Standby mode to activate Wi-Fi setup. When CF appears on the product display, press Next Step to continue. Select your Wi-Fi network. Must be a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. And input password. Press Confirm to continue. The app will automatically match the product. Press Done to finish. If AP instead of CF appears on the product display, click the AP mode at upper right corner. Press Next Step to continue. Select your Wi-Fi network. Must be 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Press Confirm to continue. Then, connect to the Wi-Fi hotspot named Smart Life from your phone setting. Once connected, go back to the app. Your product will be matched automatically. Now, you can find your product being successfully set up in the app. You can access all functions of the product in the app. Quick guide of working with Amazon Alexa. Find and install Amazon Alexa in App Store or Google Play. Then sign in with your Alexa account and password. After login, enter the Alexa menu at the upper left corner. Click Settings and choose Device Settings. Click Plus at the upper right corner. Add a device, for example, Echo. Press the button on your Echo device until the light turns yellow. Then click Continue in the app. Connect to the Wi-Fi hotspot named with Amazon. Wait until Echo confirms you are connected. Choose your Wi-Fi network. Must be 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. This process may take a few minutes. Enter the Alexa menu. Click Skills. Search Smart Life and enable the skill. Input your HE Smart account and password. Then click Link Now. The Alexa account will be linked with your HE Smart account. When the accounts are successfully linked, you can control your smart products through Amazon Alexa device by voice command. Quick guide of working with Google Home. Find and install Google Home in App Store or Google Play. Then sign in with your Google account and password. After login in the home page, click Add to set up a new device. Turn on the Bluetooth or connect to the Wi-Fi hotspot named with Google Home from your phone setting. The app will scan Google devices nearby that are ready to connect. Choose your Wi-Fi network. Must be 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Input password and click Connect. The device will be connected. Enter the Google Home account menu. Choose Home Control in the menu. Then click Plus. Search and click Smart Life in the list. Input your HE Smart account and password. Click Link Now. The Google Home account will be linked with your HE Smart account. When the accounts are successfully linked, the smart products will appear in the Home Control page. Now you can control your products through Google Home device by voice command.